أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
قل كل يعمل على شاكلته فربكم أعلم بمن هو أهدى سبيلا صدق الله العلي العظيم. Everyone acts according to their shakila. That surely your Lord is the one who knows the best, who is the most guided on this path.
To cultivate and build your tawheed, you must surround yourself with the right people. Who you marry is fundamentally important because this person will witness your good and bad moments. Ideally, your spouse is the one you travel with on the path towards Allah. So let's begin with the thought process behind spousal selection. Firstly, we look at the thought on beauty. The media presents a warped sense of beauty that is often unattainable and not even real. We have destroyed our eyes with the constant bombardment of makeup, touch-ups, and photoshopped images. This distorted perception of beauty has become the main criterion for many, leading to the rejection of amazing individuals for superficial reasons like nose size, weight, or skin tone. What does Islam say about beauty? Islam says that Allah is beauty, and He loves beauty. However, His beauty is not materialistic. It is a reflection of His divine attributes. True beauty lies in understanding the divine disposition and looking beyond the superficial. Beauty is not just about outward appearance, but also about inner qualities and character. This beauty is for all, and it's true beauty, one that's not as shallow as the media presents. So when choosing a spouse, look beyond the superficial and outside beauty. Imam Ali described Bibi Fatima as the ultimate travel companion towards Allah, emphasizing the importance of inner beauty and companionship in the worship of Allah. Now let's look at the thought on wealth. Surah Nur verse 32 talks about who to choose to marry. It is stated, "If they are needy, Allah will make them free from want out of His grace, and Allah is ample giving, knowing." The verse encourages marrying those who are needy, promising that Allah will provide for them out of His grace. The beauty of struggling and suffering together in marriage is often overlooked. Many successful individuals have built their relationships through struggles, hardships, and small successes, which strengthen their bond and allows them to get closer to Allah. Those times and the small successes feel like such beautiful accomplishments and bring a smile to their face. There is an incredible strength that builds your relationship in those struggles. However, we often want to shield our children from these hardships and struggles. Although our instinct is to protect our kids from everything, it's important to know that these struggles are what build character and make them strong in the real world. We must equip our children with the skills needed to succeed, rather than just providing for their material needs. Allah asks us to trust Him to take care of our children, just as He took care of us. We should look for partners who possess the skills, work ethic, and good character, rather than just focusing on outward beauty or financial status. In conclusion, when choosing a spouse, look beyond superficial qualities. Choose someone who shares your values and is willing to grow spiritually with you. Give yourself and your children the chance to cultivate a divine disposition by choosing a partner who values inner beauty and character, and by having someone besides you who equally wants to worry about your shakila while you worry about theirs together.
يا حسين 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 يا حسين 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 يا حسين حسين حسين